Africa, a continent blessed with fertile soil and abundant oil crops. Yet, we spend billions every year importing cooking oil. Why? Because local oil processing is neglected. Today, I want to reveal how you can start a highly profitable cooking oil press business in Africa. From scratch. This video is your step-by-step guide. We'll talk about the missing opportunities, the best machines to use, how to process and package cooking oil, and finally, how to build a strong brand that competes locally and internationally. If you're looking for a sustainable business that taps into a daily need in every African home, stay tuned. Let's turn oil crops into golden profits. Africa grows massive amounts of oil crops: sunflower in Tanzania and Kenya, palm fruit in Nigeria and Ghana, soybeans in Zambia and Malawi, and ground nuts in Senegal and Sudan. But here's the problem. Most of these crops are either exported raw or rot due to poor processing facilities. Meanwhile, imported cooking oil floods the markets. This gap creates a massive opportunity for you to set up a local oil press factory to serve the demand for affordable, locally produced oil. With population growth and rising food consumption, the demand for cooking oil will keep growing, whether for homes, restaurants, or food processors. The margins? Massive. And with low competition, you can take over your region. You can focus on sunflower oil, high in demand, light and healthy. Groundnut oil, aromatic and popular in West Africa. Palm oil, staple in African cooking, high demand locally and for export. Soybean oil, ideal for large-scale processors and industrial users. Sesame oil, niche but highly profitable for export. Choose based on what's grown in your region and available year-round. Here are the key machines you'll need. 1. Seed cleaning machine removes stones, dust, and unwanted materials. Price: $800 to $1,500. Price: $1,500 to $2,800. 3. Oil pressing machine. This is the heart of the factory. Cold press or hot press, depending on oil type. Capacity options: 20 to 40 kilograms per hour, small scale, $1,000 to $1,800. 100 to 300 kilograms per hour, medium, $5,000 to $6,000, $12,000. Full industrial, $20,000 plus 4. Oil filter press, removes impurities from the crude oil, vital for clarity and shelf life. Price: $1,000 to $3,000 at 5. Oil filling and sealing machine, semi-automatic or fully automatic. Price: $1,500 to $5,000. 6. Labeling and packaging machine, automatic label applicator to brand your bottles professionally. Cleaning and sorting the oil seeds. Roasting, for nuts like ground nut, sesame. Pressing, extraction of oil. Filtration to remove solids and impurities. Settling or refining, optional depending on clarity needed. Filling into bottles, sealing and labeling. After packaging, your oil is ready for sale. Price: $800 to $2,500. Let's break it down, e.g., groundnut oil. 100 kilograms of groundnut equals approximately $120. Oil extracted equals approximately 40 liters. Selling price equals $2.50 per liter equals $100. Byproducts: cake equals $25. Repeat profit per 100 kilograms, $5 to $20. Depending on oil type, scale this to 1 ton per day, and the profits multiply quickly. Chapter 6. Finding raw materials. 10 minutes. Visual: talking to local farmers or cooperative groups. Tips: partner with local farmer groups. Buy during harvest when prices are low. Store seeds in dry warehouses. Use mobile apps to track commodity prices. You could even integrate backward by growing your own oil crops. This is where your business wins or fails. Step 1. Brand your cooking oil design, a clean, healthy-looking label. Highlight key terms: 100% natural, locally made, no additives. Step 2. Create package sizes. 250 milliliters. Affordable for rural, low-income buyers 1 liter. Common for home use 5 to 20 liters. Restaurants and bulk buyers. Step 3. Sell everywhere. Local markets, supermarkets and corner stores. Restaurants, hotels and catering services. Schools and institutions. Step 4. Digital and influencer marketing. Start a Facebook/Instagram page. Run ads targeting your city. Collaborate with food bloggers and chefs. Tips to expand. Recruit commission-based distributors. Partner with wholesalers in cities. Offer discounts for bulk purchases. Use motorbike delivery in urban areas. Scaling up? Invest in storage tanks, delivery vans. Refined oil production for export. Register your business legally. Get food safety and health approvals. Seek funding through agricultural banks, government empowerment programs, investor partnerships, microfinance loans. Show your business plan, projections, and sample oil bottles to gain trust. Chapter 10. Challenges and solutions. 5 minutes. Power outages. Use solar or diesel generators. Seasonality. Buy and store seeds in harvest season. Market trust. Offer samples, encourage feedback, and build reviews. Many fail before even getting traction. Here are critical mistakes to avoid. Not testing your oil quality. Always filter and test. Poor oil leads to health concerns and lost customers. No proper branding. People trust what looks clean and professional. Over-investing in machines before testing market. Start small, then scale up. Ignoring legal certifications. Get your food safety approvals. Depending only on local markets, use social media, export platforms, and B2B buyers to grow reach. Not educating customers. Teach them why your oil is better. B2C, direct to consumer. Sell bottled oil directly to homes via retail shops and online. Second, B2B, wholesale to businesses. Sell in bulk to restaurants, schools, caterers, and supermarkets. 3. Private labeling. Let others sell your oil under their brand, but you manufacture. 4. White label plus online sales. Use platforms like Jumia, Konga, Takealot, or even Amazon for the diaspora. 5. Mobile oil pressing unit. Move around rural areas and press oil for customers from their own seeds for a fee. Each model has pros and cons. Choose what fits your resources and goals. Your packaging sells your product before anyone tastes it. So, use transparent plastic or glass bottles. 1 liter, 5 liters, 20 liters. Labels should clearly show product name, ingredients. 100% groundnut oil, for example. Date of production and expiry, NAFDAC or FDA number, once registered. Contact info and barcode. Make sure your production area is clean and up to local food standards. Example. Total cost to produce 1 liter of oil equals $1.80. Profit margin equals $0.70. Sell at $2.50 per liter. Bulk discounts apply for 20-liter jerry cans. Stay competitive while maintaining a healthy profit. Cooking oil pressing gives you more than just oil. Byproducts. You can monetize, oil cake, sell as animal feed or fertilizer. Packaging services. Offer filling and sealing for other small producers. Oil refining. Later invest in refining and export high-grade oil. Training. Become a mentor or start a training center. Each stream increases your income and impact. Africa imports what we should be producing. Cooking oil is on every table, every single day. But the problem isn't the lack of resources, it's the lack of bold entrepreneurs like you. With thee, you can turn seeds into profits and solve a critical problem in your community. This is not just a business. It's an opportunity to build wealth, create jobs, support farmers, and feed a growing continent. Start small. Start smart. Start now. The oil press business in Africa is the gold mine nobody is digging. It's time you become the pioneer in your area. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is today.